Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan so po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun ready go bathamai ka bas cam bat bidor.
Menteri jangka Sarkar Jela uba Renikton Tongkhar ha ka Henry Terik unok pra arzar arpau ula Plie ba ya ka Showroom jong ka Fenesta kabadan hanong sokpo gari kana Shillong kabadan marpersha jong ka jaka penyeng ya ki kali kibawan narib hoi kabadairu ka Dukan kabaju Shna ya ki Jingkhang ba bat ki Jingkhang yen ha ka rukom ka bas kem bat ka bapaka bha ha ka ni ka sngi le don langru ki nong penya jong ka ni ka agency bat kiwei di kinong sakot ngom ha.
That time I went to your house, we have already done with the added windows and also this has two different movements. So one is the general movement, another one movement is like this. And you order now, I have seen a package. You will take the measurement. How about the room? How about your room, sir? Is it done already? So I arranged for another bed.
6 people that are located in different locations. Like 9, some part of one. See, this is the sliding door. You can use this as a balcony. In balcony, you can see this is the mesh. It can be used with mesh or without mesh also. If you require, we can give you the mesh. If you don't require, it will not come. Then it will come only to drag. You can see the locking system. You can see the locking system. When we say Fenesta, we say that our windows are monsoon proof, dust proof, we reduce sound. The reason is we have 11 layer of insulation. That means we fully conceal, we fully sealed the all gappings. So it is highly effective to reduce the sound. So there will be no water ingress, there will be no dust coming inside, and you can see the sound, impact of sound. This is the main door. When I open, you can feel the sound coming from outside. But when I close the door, you can feel this is the impact of the sound. 11 layer of insulation means you can see we have the fusion welded. Unlike in aluminium, they are used by the joint by screw. So in the sometime in 1 month, 2 months it get detected, and there will be gas. Again, the dust will come, water will come, everything. So we have this fusion welded. You can see in between glass and the sides we have 5 layer of insulation. This you can see. We have the gasket inside and outside. Then we have multiple locking system. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we close, it is closed. It is locked totally from top to bottom. In normal windows or door, what happens? You use the chitkani, or that locks in the center only. So in top and bottom there is a gap. So sound comes from the top and bottom. Casement windows. This is the design we can give if you want this type of design. Okay, this is one color. Another we have very special windows. This is the walnut finish. Then we have light oak finish. This is very special windows in Fenesta. This opens inside. Okay, bedroom, and you have such type of angle, aperture, and you want a clear view, no obstacle. We can give glass to glass window also. So these are two glasses are joined. So there is no membrane in between. This is one kind of casement window, simple casement window, mainly for commercial, mainly for hotels, commercial, offices and all. Same again, we have sliding windows, 2-track 2-panel. That was 2-track 2-panel sliding door with net. This is sliding window, 2-track 2-panel. Product, this belongs to the super luxury category. When you want opening, 100% opening, then we can recommend this type of used door. You can use as a separator also. You can use as a balcony door also, as per the requirement of the client. So this is only when you want 100% opening. Maximum height limit is 8 feet. With it can be 5 meters, 6 meters, as per requirement. Again, you can see multiple opening system. This epithelium gaskets for airtight. Last, we have the unique door. You can say window also. This is a seamless combination. We say this is combination window. Combination means this is one single piece. This is not a separate part. One piece, so it reduces the sideline thickness. If you use just two windows, if you join two windows, the thickness will be like this, because this thickness will become double. So this is called combination window. Top bottom fix, in between sliding you can have net also. And this is the unique feature of Shna. You can see this is called rain trap. The application is that for heavy rain, like Shillong, it is heavy rainfall zone. So what happens normally, you can see the track. If the ratio of inflow and outflow of the water is not same, then what is happening? The water will fill up in the track and it will tend to come inside. So just to prevent that, we use this adder. This acts as a dam. So by the low pressure, water will never jump. This will peel off from the drainage system and the gap between outer track and the sash. So this is the unique feature. Nobody can provide this except Shna. And looking for the blessing from the local people and assuring the best service in future with large this varieties of product. And also request if you can come to this display center and have a look physically, just check physically, have a touch and feel before finalizing the windows and door for your home, because this is one time investment. This is not like a paint or like a light that you can change every 2 years, 3 years. So windows are installed in the houses only one time. So request, please visit our showroom here in Garikana. It will be open from 10 AM to 6 p.m. From Monday to Saturday. Sunday will be closed.